Hello, I am Jyoti Sharma and today we are going to talk about red dragon fruit versus white dragon fruit. How to know the difference? Can you tell the difference between red dragon fruit and white dragon fruit? Without peeling the fruit, it might sound impossible, but believe me, it is possible. Here are a few ways to know about the fruit by observing the flowers, scales, also called ears, and at times branches. So let's know how to differentiate between red dragon fruits and white dragon fruits. The first one, scales. Red dragon fruit and sometimes pink and purple fruit have curvy scales or ears, which are tiny triangles on the fruit body. Their color is green and they are thicker. Also, red fruit has narrower, darker and more scales than white fruit. Next one is flowers. Flower tips of the red variety are redder than those on the white variety. At times, the white varieties has white or yellow flower tips. Flowers are fragrant and both varieties. The third one is branches. It is a bit difficult to tell the difference between red dragon fruit and white dragon fruit by looking at the branches. However, the branches of the red ones have more thorns than those of the white ones. Certain red varieties feature wavy or braided branches, while a few others have branches with well-defined thorns. Branches of white dragon fruits have milder thorns. Next is nutrition value. Dragon fruit uses and benefits are many. It is an established fact that deep red fruits and vegetables contain more antioxidants. That's why red dragon fruit has a higher amount of antioxidant than white ones. This makes it a great food for healthy eyes, blood and skin. The red variety is also used to make delicious wine. However, the red one has higher sugar content than the white one. So if you are diabetic, you must choose white dragon fruit. Due to high sweetness, many people prefer red fruit. Dragon S8 is a super sweet variety. However, there is an expectation here. Ecuador Palora is a white variety and it is found to be the sweetest variety in dragon fruit. The Briggs sugar score of this variety is 23. The other varieties stand at 50. Let's also know about some fact about dragon fruits. Dragon fruit is also called strawberry pear or pitaya. There are around 140 species of dragon fruit in the world. The chef types of dragon fruits are Hierosilus polyhyrus, Hyloceras megalanthus and Hierosilus unadatus. The main varieties are those with the red skin and red flesh, red skin and white flesh, and yellow skin and white flesh. Seeds of dragon fruits are edible and tiny, similar to those of kiwi dragon fruit with a pink flesh are hybrids. The legend of dragon fruit. Why dragon fruit is called so? According to the legend, a fire-breathing dragon had created this fruit. This dragon, whenever it breathed fire, ended up producing fruit at the end of its fire tail. Legend knows that there was a fierce battle between the soldiers and the dragon. As soon as the dragon breathed fire and produced the fruit, the soldiers killed it and took the fruit. They presented this to their king. For more Agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran. Thank you.